Just arrived at Pine Knob for the school. We're out here at Pine Knob. Looking fresh. Can't wait to just hit the terrain park. But I got the GoPro on. I'm excited, hyped. Gonna go on the first big hill. Let's go.
He's not standing on it.
Donnie, you got it.
Oh no. He's not even moving.
Dude, he is so scared right now. Donnie, you good?
I did it!
Good job.
How do we get off?
Oh, same thing. You gotta jump.
I think it's too high.
It might be.
You go all the way back there.
No, we go up higher.
What?
Yeah. Film it.
Yeah, slow it down a little bit for him. Good job. Get up.
My feet are in a hole.
Get up. You got it.
Pull me.
Dude, you're like a sloth getting over here. Hurry up. What? I know, man.
Stop.
Come on. You gotta go down at least. Donnie, you got it. You got it.
I did it!
Why'd you fall? You had it.
I thought it was supposed to fall.
No, all the way down here.
Oh.
Let's go.
I had to stop because I was hit her.
Let's get something to eat.
I was the only white kid. It's like.
Yeah. All right. See the sunset, I ain't got sleep yet. Cause love from these girls, I need it. Trouble all in my mind, can you read it? Me and you, tell me, can you see it? Tell me, could that last? Trying to make a future offering to the past. Trying to get big, blow up, have a blast. Hitting up blends just to have a little chat. Yeah. That's a real image, Instagram that. Looking for that real chick, hoping that God did plan that. I've been scared about time, and I've been scared about money. Cause they keep saying it's mine, and that shit make 'em act funny. Half a year ago, I was the one who left the class. Now I'm on a roll without a test I ever had to pass. Imagine that, paid by raps, who ain't in dorms about all that. While I'm get up to perform, and I do just me my cash, yeah. So tell me you can be my queen, as I become the king of everything I've ever dreamed. Lying if I said, girl, I don't wanna go tonight. To be real with you,
You're not gonna hit someone. Just lean back if you're gonna. What time do we have to go back?
I think he said 8:15 to 8:30, but I'm just gonna wait for the first call. Yo, I want a board slide so bad, but I don't know if I can. It's sketchy.
Yeah.
Screw it, I'm
show me, shit, show me, yeah. Show me, shit, show me, yeah. Show me, shit, show me, yeah. Show try and just get right for the night. Trying to get right for life, so don't even think twice. Flow been cold like my hype's on ice. Hitting on this shit, take hikes and fly kites. Live my life, swim out to new heights. All you want told, homie, must be nice. Still not sure what the hell that's like, but my fans put my name way above those lights. What you know about getting big without your hometown? What you know about 9,000 people, my whole town? Shut me out, but they know now. Wouldn't buy, but they sold now. I did the work, I took all the dirt, now I call the microphone home. Wow. Damn, shout out to the fans. Heard the truth inside the music and they gave the kid a chance. She just liked the image, no, she really ain't a fan. I was looking for that love, but you